On a wet day in May, we took a train ride on the GWSR from Broadway to Cheltenham. 2 weeks later, I returned to film Trackside on a dry day.
And I'm trying to get back here. Stop off at Galway to Edinburgh.
I park up at Winchcombe station, have a coffee and cake, then explore the station area. The station, incidentally, is in the village of Greet. Winchcombe town is about a 20-minute walk away.
You might have another run round passage. Alright. Then there's not 4 on the footplate. (7820) Dinmore Manor was our loco to Cheltenham and back
2 weeks ago. This is one of several locos that were saved from the scrapyard on Barry Island. Heading away from Winchcombe Station, I get as close as I can to Greet Tunnel. It's the second longest tunnel at 634 metres on a heritage railway in the UK. And I think I can hear a train coming. Approaching Stanway viaduct. At a third of a mile in length, it was built in 1902. On Friday the 13th, 1902, 4 of its 15 arches collapsed. A year or so later, it was totally rebuilt. Since then, regular checks and repairs continue, which is nice to know. Here at Toddington are the Loco sheds and engineering facilities. And good coffee and cakes too, which for me are de rigueur on my steam days out. Before heading home, I grab a few shots of the locos lined up for a service, no doubt. Then I spot a Deltic, and remember an uncle showing me its powerful diesel engines. Anyway, enough about diesels. Now, this is more like it, a King Class, the Great Western Railway's most powerful locomotive. This brings back another memory, seeing King George V tearing through a station with its shiny brass bell. Magic. So, as always, it's been a grand day out. Cheers, and thanks for watching.